Alright guys, I wanted to explain what non-uniform rational B-spline is, and I call it NURBs, but I don't really know if people actually call it that. It's just easier than saying that. So basically, when you think of, like, in the past we've dealt with vector and we said, like, in Adobe Illustrator, those are mathematical points, but in Adobe Illustrator you're just dealing with height and width. With 3D modeling you're also dealing with depth. So it's just a mathematical way. This is the way I understood it, just like a mathematical way of, like, planning and creating shapes in a 3D space. So it really, they use it in 3D modeling, they use it in CAD programs. Okay, so here's the animated version. I found it on Wikipedia, but anyways, it like shows you, like, here's your regular vector, and now they've just converted it into 3D. Like, now it's really like where in Illustrator, if you think of it, where it crosses over, it would just be like, well, it's still 2D space, but now we're talking about in relationship to three-dimensional space. So those points are really the math behind creating your 3D shapes. So I just wanted you guys to know about that.